Tired of the hustle and bustle? Craving a relaxing retreat? Imagine stepping into your own paradise with lush greenery and soothing sounds. In this video, we'll show you how to create a backyard oasis for ultimate relaxation. A tranquil backyard is vital in today's fast-paced world. It's your personal sanctuary. Let's transform your outdoor space into a rejuvenating haven. First, assess your existing area. Look for challenges like sunlight or shade. Identify opportunities for improvement. Decide on the ambiance you want, natural, modern, or cozy. Create a simple layout that includes seating, greenery, and potential water features. Next, consider your materials. Choose eco-friendly options like recycled wood or natural stone. Explore budget-friendly alternatives to expensive landscaping materials. Ensure durability to resist weather and minimize upkeep. Now let's add greenery and water features. Use native plants for low-maintenance beauty. A water feature, like a small fountain, can enhance tranquility. Pick plants suited to your climate and your space. Creating an inviting atmosphere is crucial. Soft, warm lighting adds a calming effect at night. Use solar-powered string lights for eco-friendliness. Add soothing sounds with wind chimes or a small outdoor speaker. Finally, enjoy your oasis. Regularly maintain your space, water, weed, and clean as needed. Personalize with comfortable furniture and decorative accents. Creating your backyard oasis can transform your life. Embrace the relaxation it brings. Start planning today and bring your outdoor dream to life.